Hey guys, this is Abhishek and you're watching my channel One Day Batting. In this video, I'm going to explain you a trick to multiply any number ending with 5 by 5. Okay guys, let's see with an example. Say number ending with 5 means 925 multiplied with 5. You can multiply this within 4 seconds, right? I will say you how. In order to do this, you have to remember two conditions. Two conditions, right? First condition is consider the number which is before 5, that is 92, and you have to check whether the number is odd or even. If the number is even, then you have to write 5 5s are 25 here. 5 5s are 25, right? If the number is odd, like say 735, this is odd, right? In this case, you have to write 5 5s are 75. You have to remember this. And one more thing is, if the number is even, then you have to divide with that number by 2, and the final answer is written over here. 92 by 2 means 46, right? 46. And this is our answer. If the number is odd, then you have to subtract -1 from the number and again dividing with 2, and that's all guys. These two conditions, if you remember, then you can multiply the numbers which are ending with 5 by 5 within seconds. And let's do this. 5 5s are 75, because the number behind 5 is odd, right? So you have to write 75. Here the number is odd, so you have to subtract 1 from it, so that it become 72. And next step is to divide that number by 2. We got 36. The final answer is 3675. And let's consider another example. 972 5 multiplied by 5. Here the number is even, right? So you have to write 5 5s are 25, and you have to divide this number by 2 because this is even number. And 972 by 2, which is equals to 4, 8 and 2. 4 8 2. Our final answer is this. If you have any doubt, please check with your calculator. And I have another trick for you guys. Let me explain that quickly. Yeah, 95 multiplied with 85. See guys, here the numbers are ending with 5, right? And the two numbers which are there behind 5 are differed by 1, right? 9 minus 8, 1, right? Like 75 65. The difference is 1, right? 35 25. the difference is 1, right? 25, 15. The difference is 1, right? So these type of these kind of problems can be solved like you have to write 5 5s are 75 here, and you have to add +1 to the big number which you have. Here we have 9, right? So I'm adding 1, total 10. 10 8s are, you have to multiply in this way. 10 8s are 80. Our final answer is this. Right guys? I'm taking another example. Okay, consider 65 multiplied with 55. Here the difference is 1, right? So you have to write 5 5s are 75. You have to directly remember this. If the number behind the two number 5 are differ by 1, then you can directly write 5 5s are 75, and you have to add 1 to the number, to the biggest number which you have. Here we have 6, right? I'm adding 1, total 7, right? 7 5s are 35. Okay guys, if you have any doubt, please check with your calculator. And I'm going to explain you third trick. This is the final trick. 25 multiplied with 25. Here the two numbers must be similar and end with 5. In this case, you have to write 5 5s are 25, and you have to add 1 to any number, because there is no change if you add 1 to this number or this number, right? So I'm adding 1 to this number, which gives 3, right? So you have to multiply this 3 and 2 so that we get our final answer, right? Okay guys, I'm taking another example. "95 multiplied with 95." Right? Here the two numbers are similar and ending with 5, right? So you have to write 5 5s are 25, and next you have to add 1 to any number. I'm adding 1 to this number, which gives us 10, right? 10 9s are 90. So our final answer is this. Yeah, that's all for the video guys. If you like my explanation, like the video and subscribe to my channel and tap on bell icon to get all notifications. And finally, thank you for watching.